Well, I got to throw this little video out here because this is one of the best things I ever did to my trailer. As you probably know, when you buy your trailer, it comes with this rinky-dink, useless little black box bolted onto your frame here somewhere. And all the wiring is just jammed in there. And there's absolutely nothing you can do with it. The water gets in, everything gets corroded. And if you ever have to sort out problems, it's a nightmare. You take the cover off, you can never get it back on. There's just no room in there. So this is a Pelican case. There's lots of alternatives to Pelican. I just happen to have this box. So this will change your life when it comes to trailer wiring. So I bolted this box down. You can see some holes there. Just screwed it right down to the trailer frame and wired everything through there. So here's my my main trailer harness from my plug-in cord coming in right here. And I bought a terminal strip for my brakes. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Makes that troubleshooting brakes a snap, as well as anything else, your lighting, etc. I've got my 12-volt input right here. This is just a pleasure to work on. If I have a wiring issue now with a trailer, this is just an absolute breeze. So do yourself a favor. Put one of these boxes on there. You snap this shut. It's completely watertight. Nothing gets in there. And it's actually like you won't tear your hair out when you have to try and fix your trailer wiring or troubleshoot a connection. All the wires are right there, very easy to test. Anyway, I hope someone finds this useful, and do yourself a favor and try this out. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful.